Welcome to our channel. In this today's session, I am going to explain internship opportunities at A2lytics Private Limited. Before discussing internship opportunities at our company, let's understand few terms like learning, training, internship, and what are the difference between these terms. These terms are sequentially related with each other. So many times we miss the sequence. So many times after learning we jump to internship, but we have to use these terms sequentially. These are sequentially related terms. So after learning we have to go for training. After training we have to go for internship, and after internship next step is a job. Okay, so these are the sequentially related terms. So let's understand these terms, and also we are going to discuss the difference between these terms. We are going to discuss differences with respect to some parameter. So let's call these parameters as the aspects. With respect to some aspects, we are going to distinguish these three terms. So the first parameter is a objective. What is the objective of learning? Objective of learning is personal growth or to get a knowledge. So the objective of learning is get some knowledge. Then what is the objective of training? Skill building for a particular role. There are various roles in the organization. If you consider IT industry, then software development, software testing, then providing services. So various roles are there. To get a training required for a particular role. For example, to get a training required for software testing, that is called as a training. To get skill required for software testing, that is a training. What is the objective of internship? What is the objective of internship? To get a real work experience. Objective of internship is to get real work experience, to get a experience in the workplace. So this is a difference between these three terms with respect to objective. Next parameter, focus. In learning we focus on broad area, we focus on theoretical concepts. In learning we focus on broad areas, we learn many things, many subjects, and mostly we focus on theoretical concepts, theoretical knowledge. What we focus in training? In training we focus on specific concepts, focus on practical concepts, hands-on sessions. Then what we focus in internship? Practical application of some technology, some concepts, how it is actually used in the day-to-day work in the organization, how it is used at workplace. So this is the second difference between these three things. Next is duration. What is the duration of learning? There is a no time bound duration for the learning. So learning is a continuous. Learning is continuous. Duration for training, short term duration, maybe 3 months training, 6 month training, 1 year training. What is the duration of internship? Here also short term duration, temporary duration, 3 months, 6 months or 1 year duration. Next parameter for difference, scope. What is the scope in these three things? Scope for learning is general scope, it covers all the areas. Scope in the learning is broad scope, focusing on all areas. Scope in the training is target to specific task. So it is focused on particular task. The training is related to particular task. So scope is target to specific. In internship, scope is industry focus. So how it is used in that particular company, how the software development cycle is used, software development process is used, testing approach is used, whether the manual approach is used or the automation is used. So based on that, scope will be defined. Next, practicability. Whether a practical approach is used or not. In learning, practical approach may be used or may not be used. In learning, there may be a practical approach or there may be a only theoretical approach. In training, it is mostly practical approach. Hands-on session will be used in the training. And in internship, it is always practical. Okay? So no theoretical approach, only practical approach is used in the internship. Then next is audience. Audience for learning, audience for training, audience for internship. Audience for learning, everyone. Anybody who want to learn something, who want to get some knowledge is applicable for the learning. Audience for training is professionals, employees or students also here. These are the audience for training. Then who are the audience for internship? Students, fresh graduates. These are the audience for internship. So this is a short difference between these three things. So from this we can conclude that first step is a learning. So in undergraduate program, we learn many subjects. So there learning takes place, or you do some self-study, self-learning. So learning happens. After that, you have to go for training. You can join various courses and get the training. Training about a specific technology, training about specific concepts. After that, you have to get some experience, work experience. That is called as an internship. Internship. And after getting experience, you can start your work at any organization. So these are the 4 steps, we can say. These are the 4 steps. Step number 1, all students, they are in the step number 1. Undergraduate student, diploma student, BCA, MCA or any MTech student. They are in the learning phase, they are in the step number 1. In order to proceed to other steps, they have to follow next step, that is training. So they have to undergo certain training. After training, they have to go for internship. Step number 3. Step number 3, that is training. Step number 3, that is internship. And after internship, they will get the job. This is a proper learning path. So first learn theoretical concepts, get some specific training, get some internship, and then you become eligible to do work in any organization or to do job. Okay, so this is a ideal path for the learning. Next, let's know about our company A2lytics Private Limited. So it is an emerging software company which is working in enterprise software development, web application development, mobile application developments, analytics applications, business process outsourcing. So we work in various domains. Also we work in training and internship. We provide training internship to engineering students, diploma students, BCA students, MCA students, and we are making them ready for the industry. We established it in year 2022. In the year 2022, we have established A2lytics Private Limited. Regarding registration, we have registered it at Government of India, that is at Ministry of Corporate Affairs. This is a certificate of registration. We have registered it at MSME, Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises, Ministry of MSME. This is a certificate of MSME. Also, we have registered our company at Government of Maharashtra. This is a certificate of registration. Also, we have registered it at Government of Karnataka. This is a certificate of registration of Government of Karnataka. We have two branches, head office at Pet Vadgaon, Maharashtra, and we have one more regional office at Sankeshwar, Karnataka. So this is a brief information about our company A2lytics Private Limited. So we provide internship to engineering students, diploma students, BCA and MCA students. If anybody want to join our training program or internship program, just pause this video, scan QR code and register themselves. Then one of our representative will call you and you can complete the registration process and start training or internship. We provide training and internship in various domains, but in January we are going to start training and internship in these domains: parallel computing, data science, deep learning, prompt engineering and full stack web development. So in January we are going to start these batches: parallel computing, data science, deep learning, prompt engineering and full stack web development. Let's see what content we are going to cover in these domains. Parallel computing using MPI. Here we are going to cover MPI basics. What is MPI, what is message passing, types of communication provided in the MPI, how to develop parallel applications. Then MPI library in detail we are going to cover. Then project work. So training will be of 1 month and next 2 months project work. After completion of the project work, project presentation, demonstration, report writing, these activities need to be covered by the students. Next domain is a deep learning using Python. In this neural network concept, deep learning concepts, then TensorFlow, Keras libraries, then different types of neural networks, that is CNN or any sequential model, how training happens, how to divide the data. So all concepts are covered in this deep learning. Here also 1 month training will be provided. Next 2 months project work. Next domain, data science using Python. Here NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib libraries will be covered, some statistical concepts will be covered, and then project work. Here also the duration of the training is 1 month, and for the project work 2 months. So total duration will be 3 months. Prompt engineering. So what is prompt engineering? How to write a effective prompt, how to optimize the prompt, how we can use it for the various activities like code generation, report writing, and everything. Next is full stack using Python, Django. In this front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, then backend Python, Django, the MySQL concept will be covered. Now mode of internship. Offline mode is available at Sankeshwar branch only, and online mode is available for all over the India. For online mode, we have provided some facilities at our end. We have our own LMS app which you can access on desktop or you can access through mobile application. We have a digital studio to give a good learning experience, virtual learning experience to the students. Any queries, programming queries or any error occur, it will be solved by using any desk. So we have provided online environment which gives virtual learning experience to the students. These are the two modes. What content, additional content we cover in the internship? So we give training on SDLC concepts, software development lifecycle concepts are covered. Then project will be assigned by using SDLC. Students have to choose the project. Then they have to start doing their project work. During this project work, there will be a presentation, there will be a project demonstration. After completion, report writing. They have to write a report and submit it. Then how to choose domain for internship? So while choosing the domain, as per your interest you have to choose. It is better to choose as per your interest. Web development or data science, mobile application development. So as per your interest you can choose. One more thing you have to remember while choosing the domain. You choose a domain which you have not studied in the curriculum. Some additional content if you want to learn, then you have to choose the new domain. The domain which is helpful for your project work. So if you have already chosen any project, and then you have to select a domain which is similar to your project domain. Then job opportunity. This is most important point. You select a domain such that where there are lot of job opportunities available in the market. So these are the few points you need to consider while choosing the internship domain. Now this is our LMS app, A2lytics. So this you can access through desktop, or also you can access on the mobile device. It is available on Google Play Store. You just type A2lytics in Google Play Store, you will get it, install it. Registration process is very simple. You just enter your name, mobile number, email ID and submit. After registration, if you open that app, you will get this type of screen. Then it will ask for the login. So login process is also very simple. Enter your registered mobile number. enter your registered mobile number, it will send one OTP, and if you enter that OTP, you can able to log in. So login process is very simple. After login, you will find various courses, training courses. Various courses are available, courses for school students, courses for engineering students, programming courses are available. So various courses are available. You can choose training course, you can choose internship course. So these are the various courses. Few courses are shown here. After completion of internship, you will get this type of certificate. On certificate, we mention CIN number of our company. So if anybody want to check the authenticity of the certificate or the organization, then they can check. You can contact to us by using this email ID. You can call to this number, or you can send a WhatsApp message. You can follow us on this Telegram channel, A2lytics Private Limited, or you can follow us on YouTube channel, A2lytics. For more information, you can visit our website also, a2lytics.com. So this is about our contact information. For any query about internship or training program, you can contact us on this contact details. Thank you.